Trams in Rijeka. Tram traffic in Rijeka was introduced in 1899. The first electric tram appeared on the streets of Rijeka on November 7, 1899, replacing horse-drawn vehicles, and thus marking the beginning of organized public transport in the town. A single-track line that was 4,400 meters long carried passengers from the bridge on Rječina to the railway station. Each of the 8 existing trams could take 28 passengers. In 1907, the tram started to run also from Školjić to the place where today's Shipyard 3 Maj is, while 3 years later it went all the way to Kantrida. In 1921, the double-track line was finished. During the Second World War, it was the only means of public transport in the town. After the war, new buses were acquired, and they gradually took over the public transport in the town. Tram tracks that were in a poor condition became a danger for the traffic safety, so that on June 15, 1952, the Rijeka tram had to be redesigned. Instead of renovation, however, the city council at the time opted to install a bus system to replace it. Gallery == references ==